US visa denied if you answer yes to these interview questions? Here's what you need to know. Welcome to Maduabum Law Firm LLC YouTube channel. If you're planning to apply for a US visa, there are certain interview questions that can completely change the direction of your case. One of the biggest misconceptions applicants have is that answering yes to questions like, have you experienced harm in your home country? Do you fear returning to your home country? Will automatically help them get a visa. In reality, those answers can sometimes raise serious concerns for consular officers and may lead to additional scrutiny or even a visa denial. In today's video, we'll explain why these questions matter, what immigration officers may be looking for, and how your answers could affect your visa application. Let's get started. During a visa interview, the officer's job is to determine whether you qualify for the visa category you're applying for, and whether you intend to follow the terms of that visa. When an applicant says they have been harmed in their home country or that they fear returning home, the officer may begin to wonder whether the person intends to use the visa as a way to remain permanently in the United States, rather than temporarily visit, study, or work. Question number 1. Have you experienced harm in your home country? If you answer yes, the officer may ask follow-up questions to understand the situation. If you answer yes, the officer may ask follow-up questions to understand the situation. They may want to know what happened, who caused the harm, did you report it to authorities, is the situation ongoing? The concern is not necessarily the harm itself. Instead, the officer may assess whether your circumstances suggest that you are seeking protection in the United States, rather than entering under the visa category you applied for. Question number 2. Do you fear returning home? This is often the more sensitive question. If you answer yes, the officer may interpret that answer as an indication that you could be considering seeking asylum or other forms of humanitarian protection after arriving in the United States. For applicants seeking tourist visas, student visas, or other temporary visas, this answer may raise concerns about whether they truly intend to return home after their authorized stay. As a result, the officer may question whether you have strong ties to your home country. Does answering yes automatically mean visa denial? Absolutely not. A yes answer does not automatically result in a denial. However, it can trigger additional questions and a closer review of your application. Every case is different. And visa decisions are based on the totality of the evidence presented. What's important is that your answers are truthful, consistent, and supported by the facts of your case. Never misrepresent information. Some applicants panic and try to change their story because they think certain answers will hurt their chances. That is a mistake. Providing false information or intentionally misleading a consular officer can have serious immigration consequences, including future visa denials and findings of misrepresentation. Honesty is always the best approach. What should you do before your interview? Before attending your visa interview, understand the purpose of the visa you're applying for. Be prepared to answer questions clearly and honestly. Make sure your application is accurate and consistent. Consult an experienced immigration attorney if you have concerns about your specific circumstances. Proper preparation can make a significant difference. Final thoughts. Remember, answering yes to questions about harm or fear does not automatically mean your US visa will be denied. However, those answers can lead to additional scrutiny, because officers may evaluate whether your intentions align with the visa category you are seeking. Every immigration case is unique, and understanding how these questions affect your application is critical. If you have questions about a visa application, immigration matter, or need legal guidance, Maduabum Law Firm LLC is here to help. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss important immigration updates. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family. Thank you for watching Maduabum Law Firm LLC. We'll see you in the next video.